This is the proper way. Notice, not a whole lot of dope. We're going to go 180 degrees all the way around. And yeah, this is going to take you a little more time than it does with the PH6. But this is what's required, folks. And I'm talking to not only the rig hands, I'm talking to the tool guys as well. See that? That void right there is no good. You got to get that up in there. Get it on up in there. Okay? We're going to do the same thing. We don't want to slop it in there, but we want to do the same thing, but we're going to use a different brush. Now, I really don't care what kind of brush you use, and neither does the pipe. Just as long as that when we get done putting this in here, we have a good, nice, evenly distributed layer. Look down in there, in that tool joint, Now keep in mind, we're calling this the nose, and we're calling this the shoulder seal. See that little void right there? That's borderline. That needs to be taken care of. The best time to do this, and I'm cheating here with this fancy little mustache brush. The fact of the matter is, we need 100% coverage, no matter what, right? I don't care what brush you use, but slopping it on ain't gonna get it. It's gotta be painted on, right? This is a friction reducer. It also keeps you from having to, I don't have a hammer here, but I got something in here to do. From having to take a hammer to these tool joints to bust it loose when you're in the tongs, right? Do not hit this tool joint with this FSS with a hammer at any time. Do not. That's an automatic recut, and if you hit it too close here to this seal, it's a reface, recut, and could ruin the joint. Just to let you know, it's about a $1,200 joint by the time you put hard band and freight to get it here and all that, and you put taxes on it, and hell, it's $1,300 a joint. That's just for a joint of pipe. That's not counting these tools. These tools are very expensive as well. One other thing I want to mention in this video. The best time to do this is when you're laying on, you got it laid down on the rack, going to the handler or the wrangler or whatever you guys call it, the handler. And it's laying down horizontally, it's here at your belly. You can go in here and hit it with the pipe dope, turn it over. The other end, you're going to have this off anyway because it's going up to the board. You're going to put the thread protector back on because you're going to slide it up the handler and protect these threads at all costs. This is going to go in. This is already doped. It minimizes the work the guys on the floor have to do for doping. Doping's a pain in the ass, right? Get it. Last thing, besides I'm going to say don't hit this tool joint again. Thread protectors, $8. Put them together, $16. There's 2 on each piece of pipe. You lose them, tear them up, throw them away. The company that is renting that pipe will be paying $8 a piece for these things. I want everybody to be safe out there. We work in a very dangerous job, and we're right up there with miners and some high voltage guys that climb those towers and stuff to get us the power we need to pump these wells. Be careful. Thank you.